Hello, everybody. My name is Helen-Ashley, and I will be singing Funny Honey from the musical Chicago. So those of you who don't know the musical, the character Roxy sings this song right after committing a murder, and she's hoping that her husband will take the fall for it. And this is the song that she's kind of singing in her head, a little love song to her husband as he's sitting in the interrogation room. I will be joined with Riley on piano, Lewis on the fiddle, and Dwight on the bass. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong, but he doesn't care, he'll string along. He loves me so, that funny honey of mine. Sometimes I'm down, sometimes I'm up, but he follows round like some droopy-eyed pup. He loves me so, and it all suits me fine. He ain't no chic, that's no great physique, and Lord knows he ain't got the smarts. But look at that soul, I tell you its whole is a whole lot greater than the sum of his parts. And if you knew him like me, I know you'd agree. What if the world slandered my name? Well, he'd be right there, taking the blame. He loves me so, and it all suits me fine. That funny, sunny honey, hubby of mine. He loves me so, that funny honey of mine. Lord knows he ain't got the smarts. Now he shut up his trap. I can't stand that sound. Look at him go, ratting on me. With just one more brain, what a half-wit he'd be. If they string me up, well, I'll know who brought the twine. That scummy, crummy, dummy hubby